Welcome to a world of aquatic beauty. Meet the JPHYLL 2.2-gallon fish tank, a multifunctional marvel bringing you convenience and joy. Experience 5 unique features in one: dynamic lighting that dances, a soothing humidifier, and precise temperature monitoring for your aquatic friends. Worry not! This self-cleaning aquarium features a silent pump that purifies the water while creating a soothing ambience, mimicking nature perfectly. Crafted with high-grade glass, this tank not only provides superior clarity for fish watching but is designed for longevity and minimal upkeep. Enjoy seamless operation with straightforward setup instructions, making it easy for anyone to create a beautiful aquatic environment. The kit is perfect for beginners with everything needed to create an exquisite underwater haven for your fish. Join satisfied users who love their JPHYLL aquarium. It's the perfect addition to any space, whether at home or the office. Ready to bring home this smart aquarium? Check the description for the purchase link and subscribe for more exciting reviews.